Prime factorization. It is the process by which a composite number is rewritten as the product of its prime factor. Let's take an example. Find out the prime factorization of 30. We start with the smallest prime factor of the number. We keep factorizing till we get all prime factors of the number. We have 30 is equal to 2 into 15 and now 15 is equal to 3 into 5. So the factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5. So 2, 3 and 5 are the prime factors of 30. Let's learn prime factorization of a bigger number using the short division method. Express 256 in prime factorization. So divide 256 starting from the smallest prime number which can divide it. Repeat the process till the quotient is no more divisible by the prime number. As you can see in the example, 128 is equal to 256, then 264s are 128, 232s are 64, 216s are 32, 28s are 16, 24s are 8 and 22s are 4 and last 21s are 2. So the factors of 256 are 2 into 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 2. That means 8 times. Hence, this is the prime factorization of 256 using a short division method. Now let's learn about HCF. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. The highest common factor of two natural numbers is the largest common factor or divisor of the given natural numbers. In other words, it is the greatest number of the set of common factors of the given numbers. Types of HCF. There are two types of HCF method. First is by the prime factorization method and another is by the long division method. Let's learn HCF by the prime factorization method. Let us consider two numbers 72 and 48. To find the prime factorization, we have to follow these steps. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of both the numbers. 72. 236 is 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Same in case of 48. 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So let's learn about the second step. In second step, we have to find the common prime factors of the given numbers. So the common factors are 2, 2, 2 and 3. For solving prime factorization method, step 3. Multiply all the common factors to find out the HCF. So the HCF is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 24. The HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest common factor of all the given numbers. Now let's learn HCF by the long division method. To find the HCF by the long division method, follow the given steps. Divide the greater number by the smaller number. Second step, take the remainder as a divisor and divisor as a dividend. Step 3. Continue the process till you get 0 as the remainder. Step 4. The last divisor will be the required HCF of the given numbers. Let's learn with the help of one example. We will find the HCF of 198 and 360 using the long division method. 198, 1s are 198, we get the remainder 162. So you can see 162 and then divided by 198. So we'll get 162, 1s are 162, remainder 36, then again it is divisible by 162. 336, 4s are 144. The remainder is 18 and 18 2s are 36. So here the last divisor is 18. So the HCF of 198 and 360 is 18. I think you have understood about prime factorization and HCF methods. So let's continue with 3.3 exercise. Thank you.